Hi, welcome to the video about Tricot planning and partnerships. So to plan a good Tricot trail, you really need to look carefully at the ClimMob platform. That is the digital platform that guides you through the whole project, that allows you to design a project and think about all the aspects that are involved. Um, And then it takes you through all these different steps that you see on the slide. So from creating your project and experimental design, indicating which varieties you're going to test, how many farmers are going to participate in an experiment. It also helps you to, with all these steps, with all these different products that the platform generates. So there is a QR code for the field agent. There's a QR code for each of the packages when you distribute the seeds. You will get also these electronic questionnaires that right now we use them through ODK, which is an Android app. So all the technical details will come in the next videos, but it's good to have this overview of the whole process and to see how this ClimMob platform is going to help you with all these aspects. So it's really no use to start planning a trial without looking at this, planning it carefully on the platform, understanding well how the platform works, and then starting to work with it, because it takes away so much work. And then at the end, one of the big benefits is also that it will do the data analysis for you automatically, a very good data analysis. Later on, you can do more data analysis, of course, but it already generates a report, so you can give very quick feedback to everybody who's involved, as well as the farmers as well. So another aspect of planning is, of course, engaging all the different stakeholders in the process. So what the Tricot process doesn't take away is that it's a fairly complex process involving different actors. So there's the researchers that have to pick the varieties and provide the seeds. There's the implementers that play a very central role in training the field agents, maintaining this relationship with the farmers. Many times these are membership organizations such as cooperatives, etc., are also involved. And also they play a central role in data management. Then, of course, the local field agents also need careful attention. They need to be well trained, even though the process is easy. They need to be very confident that they can do it. And then, of course, the whole approach relies on farmers as very motivated citizen scientists. So the farmers are central, and their experience should be very carefully taken into account. So in the previous videos, we talked about the benefits of Tricot, but I want to emphasize one extra benefit in this video, and that is that Tricot also allows you to make new types of partnerships possible. So whereas in previous approaches, participatory variety selection needed quite a bit of kind of hand-holding, very careful attention to the implementing organizations. In the case of Tricot, especially after a first round of getting acquainted and with the new approach, many organizations can do it fairly independently. They can start to organize their trial. So think about NGOs, think about other development agencies, farm organizations. Once they get this routine going, they could be doing variety evaluation and evaluation also of other technologies on a routine basis in a fairly independent way. And that is very interesting because that also allows us to think about new types of partnership models where the research teams design the trials, but then kind of outsource this whole process. So really let the kind of farmer-facing organizations, as we call it, give this leadership to the process, and then deliver back a data set through the ClimMob platform. So this would allow us to think about Tricot implementation that is really at scale, that reaches not hundreds but maybe thousands of farmers across different regions of the country. So also thinking about this is very important. So in summary, careful design on ClimMob, planning with partner organizations, and thinking creatively about partnership scaling. Those are the central messages of this video. Thank you very much.